What are we doing today, dudes?
Stuff.
We're so excited.
No, we're doing the head gasket and the head today and all the other stuff that goes with it.
Yep.
All the other stuff.
One way, right?
Yeah, it'll have an up on it. It'll say up. When you open it up, it'll say up. One side will say up.
What we got
Anywhere. Well, maybe is it only like a one way? I think it's probably maybe only a one way. There's really I don't think you really mess it up.
It's like it wants to go like, yeah.
I don't think you really messed that up.
Figuring out which way the head gasket goes. We gotta make sure. Thumbs up.
I think we're good, boys. I say we pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger.
Let me look underneath it real quick. Oh, so shiny. You got the flat dome. All right, so we're looking for. You see the two holes right there on top?
Yep.
Yeah, you just want to go ahead and put those like that. Woo! That's it.
Awesome. Yeah, I mean, you could definitely tell. I was thinking of doing like the pressure wash thing, you know, like we were talking to Sean, your guy does at the dealership.
Yeah, but it won't look this good though.
No.
It'll look like dirtier than that, a little dirtier than that. You're gonna have to bring up a spray can if you want it that nice.
I mean, that is pretty cool. But you can't tell the head gasket was done.
Yep. And the head.
Alright, so we didn't show it, but yes, we did put the dowel pins down in there. We got all the washers and the nuts on top, so we're gonna go ahead and torque these things down now. I'm gonna do what ARP recommends. They want 60 foot-pounds on these things. So we're gonna do 3 steps to get there. I know I've seen a bunch of different things. Some people do 1 step, some people do 2. We're gonna do 3 because that's what ARP recommends, and we're going to 60 foot-pound.
Back. Oh, yeah.
Getting these guys hand tight, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the torque wrench.
Yeah. And then straight back. The back corner away from you.
It's getting pretty tight.
There you go, keep going. There you go.
Okay.
It's gonna be a good workout too right here. Oh.
Yeah, it's weird. It does like a little.
Yeah, a little skip.
Yeah, but okay. So those are all at 20. Now we're moving up to 40. Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so that's 40 foot-pounds on all of them in order, going to 60. We got double check Tucson here.
Mm-hmm.
And I appreciate that.
Yeah. Just to be on the safe side. I lose both would suck ass.
You just want to try your new torque wrench.
Yeah,
It does feel nice in there.
it does, right?
Now let me ask you this: these bolts, you took the Allen key, you snugged down all the way.
They were snug. Yeah, I was telling Trav this. Like, it says hand tight only in the
Right.
thing, but I had read a little bit where, you know, they could be wiggling a bit and this and that, and so I went ahead and snugged it with the Allen key on all of them.
Nice.
Putting the cam seal on, just a bit of oil around it. And that, right?
Now, is this the good one?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the Y8 one.
This is the magical one.
Yeah, that's what came off the car. Okay.
First time, guys.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
There you go. I think it's a 14, but I think you might need one way. You can't really mess this one up. Well, the gold ring goes towards the over there. That's for the water coolant. Yeah. Yeah. Every muscle Yeah, no, what is the fucking plastic seat? Oh, man. Yeah, I was like, nope, no more of that shit. I gotta get my ass a break.
Literally.
Yeah, I put that on. If you want, you can just go ahead and throw, like, hand tight these 210s. Pretty much everything else is buttoned on. I'm just gonna need some pliers, and we're all set here.
I got some needle nose.
Yeah, that goes there. Yeah, that way you don't have to keep adjusting the shit. Much easier. What I'll do is that way I don't take this off. I'll pull this down and then up and around and then pop it out. Saves a lot of headache.
So, typical, she doesn't know what to do for lunch yet. And it just stripped there. All right, so we got pretty far. We got the exhaust header on. The exhaust still needs to be hooked up fully on the bottom. Intake manifold is on, just have one little bolt to finish up. VTEC solenoid, distributor. Dushan got the radiator in with the water neck here, and then the hose going to it, top and bottom. Pretty much everything is good. All the timing here is set as far as we know. We still have to do the ignition timing after that, but it's all looking really good. It's definitely coming together. So this is where I'm gonna leave you in this one. In the next one, we're gonna go ahead and do a valve lash on this thing and start it up.
Boom.